Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make some delicious ham and cheese appetizer rolls. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are about 4 to 5 tortilla wraps depending on the size of your baking tray. Also about 4 to 5 ham slices. Roughly 300 grams of cheese. Here we have a mixture of cheddar cheese with some Emmentaler. A handful of parsley which I've chopped up really fine. A clove of garlic which I'm going to use to rub the tortillas in with for that extra flavor. And for the seasoning, this is completely optional. You can add whatever you like. I'm just going to add a little bit of paprika powder because I just love paprika powder. And some hot peppers, but that's my personal preference. Let's do this. So I've preheated the tortilla wraps and now we're going to add all of the ingredients. First I'm going to start off with some garlic. I'm just going to rub it into the tortilla for the extra flavor. Then comes the ham. Then sprinkle some cheese on top. If you also like spicy stuff like me, you can add a little bit of pepper here and there, a little bit of parsley here and there, and finally a bit of paprika powder or any seasoning you like. Now let's roll it up until you have a nice roll. Transfer it to the cutting board and then just cut it up into rolls. I'd say not too thin, something like that. And here I have a cake tin which I've covered in aluminum foil. If you have baking paper you can use that. It's a bit easier with all the melty cheese so that you don't have to clean your cake tin. And now I'm going to put the rolls into the cake tin. I find it the easiest to take the roll with the loose end and place it against the edge so that way it doesn't unroll. And just repeat the process until you have filled the whole cake tin. So we've filled our cake tin with the wraps. Now at this point you can do two things. Either you can put it in like that, or you can sprinkle some more cheese on there. Because we have a little bit of cheese left, we're just going to do that. Just going to cover the surface with a layer of cheese. It's a small layer, but nonetheless it's cheese. Let's take a sheet of aluminum foil and cover our cake tin. That way we're making sure that the cheese melts nicely and doesn't burn. So I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. And now I'm going to put... And now I'm going to put the tray in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. If I can figure out my oven. And there you go! Our oven is a bit different, so we had to put it in for about 20-25 minutes. But as you can see, all the cheese has melted really nice. If you want, you can remove the aluminum foil and put it in under a grill for a nice crust. But we're not going to do that because we don't have enough cheese left for that purpose. So we're just going to leave it like that. Now take some parsley and sprinkle it on top for the finishing touch. And there you go! It's done! You can either serve it up like this, then you can just take it out and enjoy, or you can remove this and put it on a plate. The choice is yours. Serve it up with some dipping sauces and you have yourself a nice snack for a party or just a nice stay-in-home movie night. If you want some ideas for dipping sauces, you can watch our video, which I'm going to link in the card and in the description below.
Time for a test test! Let's take one and try it. It reminds me a lot of pizza. It's really nice with the ham and of course the cheese, and then the jalapeno gives a little kick to it, but not too much. So it's just really good, and it's a very fun version if you want something pizza-like but not pizza to give to your guests as an appetizer or to eat yourself. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. We still post a video every Wednesday for you to devour, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!